In this video, you're going to discover which headless CMS truly dominates the developer landscapes in 2025 and deserves your next project investment. After comprehensive testing and analysis of Sanity, Strapi, and Contentful across real-world development scenarios, you'll understand exactly which platform fits your specific needs, technical requirements, and budget constraints. By the end of this detailed comparison, you'll have all the information needed to make the right choice for your headless CMS architecture. Let's start with Sanity, the structured content platform that's been revolutionizing how developers and content teams collaborate. Sanity positions itself as more than just a headless CMS. It's a unified platform for structured content that treats your content as data, enabling distribution across any channel, device, or product with unprecedented flexibility. The most compelling aspect of Sanity is its real-time collaboration capabilities that set it apart from traditional CMS solutions. Multiple team members can work simultaneously within Sanity Studio, seeing changes in real time without conflicts or overrides. This collaborative editing experience transforms content management from a sequential process into a truly collaborative workflow, making it invaluable for teams that need to coordinate complex content creation and the editing process. Sanity's approach to content modeling is developer-centric and incredibly flexible. You define your content structure using schemas written in JavaScript, giving you complete control over how content is organized, validated, and presented. This programmatic approach to content modeling means you can create sophisticated content relationships, custom validation rules, and tailored editing experiences that match your exact requirements. The platform's GROQ, or Graph Relational Object Queries, query language is a standard feature that developers consistently praised. GROQ allows you to fetch exactly the data you need with powerful filtering, sorting, and joining capabilities that rival GraphQL while being more intuitive for content-specific use cases. You can write complex queries that span multiple content types and relationships, reducing the number of API calls needed and improving application performance. However, Sanity comes with limitations that you need to consider. The learning curve can be steep for developers unfamiliar with its schema-based approach to content modeling. Additionally, the platform's focus on structured content means it may be overkill for simple websites or projects that don't require complex content relationships. Now, let's examine Strapi, the open source headless CMS that's become the go-to choice for developers who want complete control over their content management infrastructure. Strapi is the leading open source headless CMS that's 100% JavaScript, fully customizable, and developer first, making it particularly appealing for teams that want to avoid vendor lock-in while maintaining maximum flexibility. The most significant advantage of Strapi is its open source nature and cost effectiveness. You can self-host Strapi completely free, paying only for your infrastructure cost. This makes it incredibly attractive for startups, agencies, and projects with tight budgets who still need professional-grade CMS capabilities. The ability to customize every aspect of the platform means you're never limited by vendor decisions or feature restrictions. Strapi's admin panel is intuitive and developer-friendly, providing a clean interface for content management while offering extensive customization options. You can modify the admin panel's appearance, add custom fields, create custom content types, and integrate third-party services without limitations. This flexibility extends to the API layer, where you can customize endpoints, add middleware, and implement custom business logic. However, Strapi requires more infrastructure management compared to hosted solutions. You're responsible for server maintenance, security updates, scaling considerations, and backup strategies. While this gives you complete control, it also adds operational overhead that some teams prefer to avoid. Finally, let's look at Contentful, the established leader in the headless CMS space that's become synonymous with content as a service architecture. Contentful represents the mature enterprise-ready approach to headless content management, offering battle-tested reliability and extensive integration capabilities that have made it to the choice for major brands and large-scale projects. Contentful's greatest strength lies in its reliability and enterprise-grade infrastructure. The platform handles millions of API requests daily with consistent performance, offering 99.99% uptime SLAs and global CDN distribution that ensures your content is delivered quickly regardless of user location. This reliability makes it particularly valuable for high traffic applications where downtime directly impacts revenue. The platform's content delivery network and API performance are exceptional, with response times consistently under 10 ms globally. Contentful automatically handles content caching, optimization, and delivery, removing the operational burden from your development team while ensuring optimal performance for end users. Contentful has a mature and established community with an active Slack group, webinars, workshops, and global community events. These community support combined with extensive documentation and professional services makes it easier to find help, best practices, and experienced developers when building contentful based projects. However, contentful pricing can become prohibitive for many projects. The basic plan starts at $300 per month for teams, while premium averages $81,000 per year depending on scale. This pricing structure makes it challenging for smaller projects, startups, or agencies working with limited budgets. You should choose Sanity if real time collaboration is crucial for your content team, you need sophisticated content, modeling with complex relationships, or you're building content heavy applications that require flexible querying capabilities. You should choose Strapi if you want complete control over your CMS infrastructure, have the technical expertise to manage self hosted solutions, or need maximum customization flexibility without vendor restrictions. And you should choose Contentful if you need enterprise grade reliability with guaranteed uptime SLAs, want a fully managed solution without infrastructure concerns, or are building high traffic applications where performance is critical. The choice between these three platforms ultimately depends on your specific priorities: control versus convenience, cost versus features, and flexibility versus reliability. Consider your team's technical expertise, budget constraints, and long term maintenance preferences. Start with Strapi if you want comfortable with self-hosting and want maximum flexibility. Choose Sanity if you need collaborative content creation with developer-friendly features. Select Contentful if you require enterprise reliability and can justify the premium pricing. Each platform excels in different scenarios, and the best choice is the one that aligns with your specific requirements, technical capabilities, and business objectives.